Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Show and Go. This is an exciting and much anticipated video for me. My Roush Stage 1 Ecoboost Mustang is about to get a bunch of new mods. Now, I talked last month about some of my options going forward to add power to the car. Well, I'm still concerned about custom tuning, not having a warranty, but I'm also bored with the lack of power on track. Well, I finally made a decision and I've decided to go with an upgraded turbo. So let me get into it a little bit. We'll get it unboxed. I'll tell you guys about it and tell you guys why I decided to go this route instead of just a custom tune or a Ford Performance tune and keeping a warranty. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, here we have it, the CPE Precision Drop-In Turbo Kit. It's a direct fit for all S550 Ecoboost Mustangs. It doesn't require any adapters or modifications to work with most aftermarket air intakes, downpipes, charge pipes, so I don't have any issues hooking everything up as it goes to my car right now. Alright guys, I wanted to sit down a minute and tell you why I chose to go this route. I know a lot of you voted for the Ford Performance Power Pack, and that's a really good bet. I almost went that route. It's the route that I wanted to go for the longest time just because I wanted to stay warranty safe, but I wanted to still get some power and just change things up a little bit. So I highly recommend going that route if you are, again, warranty conscious. I've decided I can't handle it anymore. I want to really start getting this build back on the original track that I had set forth when I got the car. Having a blown motor, I mean, obviously impacted that big time. It's been over 2 years now. I'm done. I need to roll the dice, and we're going to try it here with the Turbonetics Precision Turbocharger, and we'll see how that goes. Again, this thing's scalable up to 520 horsepower. I'm not going to get anywhere near there with the stock block, but I should get better power throughout the RPM range, including further into the RPM range, not dying off at 5,500 RPMs, and that's a huge thing for me. Obviously, I could have got that with a tune as well on the stock turbo, but this is just, again, it's part of the build for the future. You know, you add an intercooler, you do all sorts of little things to build your way up towards the bigger modifications. So at this point in time, I have this. I'll put this in. I'll be able to run fine, have it tuned up, add a downpipe, add some other things down the road. That stuff could all be tuned in afterwards. And then I have the option of having multiple tunes. So if I want to kind of start getting a little bit more into going to the drag strip, you know, I got a drag strip that's an hour away, and I can go once a week if I wanted to, depending on the weather, and I can get some runs in and have a good time. I could do lots of things. I could do some bracket racing if I wanted to, but I'm not tuned up for that. So I have the option to have that tune, like a street tune, and then I could also have my road course tunes, multiple road course tunes. I mean, for a smaller course, you know, things may be set up a little bit different versus a bigger course. That's something I'll work my tuner on. You know, I would like to have as many options as possible. You know, in the future, once the motor's built and, you know, I'm running, you know, at least like EA5 or something, I don't know if I'll ever go meth or anything like that. I don't anticipate needing huge power. Again, my overall goal with the car is if I can get to about 450 wheel horsepower and torque and be able to run that stably on the track, just lap after lap all day long, and not have any issues, no heat issues, nothing like that, I would be perfectly content. Because at that point in time, with the braking that's been done on the car, the big brake upgrade, obviously all the suspension stuff, and then having that type of power, and then so much less weight, including if I decide to go with some carbon fiber pieces too to lighten it up even more, I mean, it's going to make this car just an absolute animal out there, and it's going to be so much more fun. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Again, being able to customize things was kind of really the main pushing point for me, and again, just kind of getting back on track with what I wanted from the build from the get-go. So I hope you guys understand that. I hope you want to stick around to see all this stuff get installed, see all the new stuff that's going to be coming in as well. So if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button down below. There's also a notification bell you can hit to get notified of the new videos that come out. And yeah, hit the thumbs up for me. Until next video, guys, have a great day.